It must be nice to be young, healthy, and full of energy. Do you remember what that used to feel like? So many candles, so little cake. You know you're old when the candles on your cake are more expensive than the cake itself. Don't forget to wear your sunglasses when they light all your candles. Can you blow out all of the candles? Or should I call the fire department? Another year, another new place that aches. What goes up, but never comes down? Your age. You age like cheese. You just keep getting smellier. You're so old. Maybe it's time to start counting your age in dog years. Here are some words of wisdom for your birthday. Smile while you still have teeth. If wisdom comes with age, then you're one of the wisest people I know. I won't make any more age-related jokes today. Frankly, I feel really bad about how old you are, so I'll just say, Happy birthday, you old fart.